From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for June 22nd, 2018. Today we're taking a look at the GBPUSD, Great British Pound versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. As we look here on the daily time frame, this currency pair has been in a downtrend for quite a while. We're going all the way back to the top of the black trend line. We're looking all the way back to April 17, capped out the resistance highs up here into the mid 1.4300s and has been falling ever since. Fell down, a couple of periods of congestion before breaking loose and going lower. Pretty significant area of ranging congestion, consolidation right here, continued to go lower. Saw a little bit of a pullback and a new low made in the recent days. Past couple of days, though, we've seen a little bit of a rebound as the GBP has appreciated against the US dollar, pressuring it higher. Yesterday, pushing into the 1.3240 level. Today, pressuring a little bit even higher. Now, just underneath the 1.33 level. Pink shaded area right here into where the current market price is. Very interesting as you follow it back in time. You see a lot of congestion right here just a couple of weeks ago. A lot of congestion in that area. You go back to the black and the blue circle, left hand side of the chart, and you can see support into that area as well. So we know that the pink zone has historically been an area of decision making, buying and selling, entering and exiting. It's pretty evident support, resistance, buying, selling, entering, exiting right there around the 1.3290, 3320 level, the pink shaded area. What's interesting to me today is how we come in contact with the longer term trend line, connecting to the highest high, connecting to this last high that we see right here. We're coming in contact with that trend line today. So we know that there's really one of two decisions to be made here as we approach the pink shaded area and that black down trend line, 1.3290, 1.3220. There's really only two things we're looking for. It's either going to bounce off of it, return to the downtrend, at least pushing back down to the orange shaded area here, or we're going to see it attempt a breakout scenario. Getting above 3320 could be looking for further movement higher. So we know that right now, currently, at current market price where it's at 1.3283 or so, it's a difficult place to buy it. Buying under the pink zone, resistance, buying under the black trend line, resistance, becomes a difficult place to go long and buy because there's high probability of resistance here. Our confidence in going long and buying and targeting higher levels is if it breaks through this barrier. Think of this pink shaded area right now as a brick wall in the market, and the market is stop stalling and maybe even reversing here from this brick wall. The only reason you expect it to go higher is it shatters through that brick wall and continues to go higher. So if you're a buyer, that's what you're waiting on, for it to get above 3320 and continue the upside movement through the black trend line. Otherwise, maybe a dip back down to the orange zone becomes an opportunity for you. Otherwise, if you're not buying, maybe you're looking for resistance and reversal here into the pink shaded area today to return to the previous downtrend here for this currency pair. Targeting back to the orange zone. Of course, under the orange zone, you'd look for the return to the lowest lows all the way down at the blue shaded area at the bottom of the chart. We're going to need the US dollar to make a little bit of a comeback. It has been falling. Take a look at the dollar index. Just taking a quick peek here. It's been falling for the past 2 days, challenging into support as well. 94.0 area. Flagpole. Was expecting maybe a breakout above this, but just hasn't done it. Pushed now underneath. I don't know if we've seen reversal here or not, because it was underneath all the way down here previously before turning higher. So needing to see further confirmation of reversal here, probably even under the green zone for the dollar. Back above the or inside the yellow zone or above it, of course, we look for return of the uptrend for the US dollar. Back to the pound dollar. So that may affect direction here. So you want to watch that also when you're looking for opportunities here on the pound dollar. 4-hour time frame doesn't really change it. We could see the market hesitating under the trend line and the pink zone. That's exactly what we would expect here into this area. Come up, find resistance, trend line, pink shaded area, and pull back. The question, of course, is this going to be reversal to go back down, or is this going to be a continuation of the upside, breaking through the pink zone? We're watching for clues and evidence to that as we look for a trade on the pound dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.